up, guys? It is These Guns 1234. Welcome back to another Critical Ops video. Man, I don't know. No, this is gonna make a bad video. Okay. So I'm gonna be doing. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. Just messing around, kill people, shoot people in the balls, you know. The norm. This should be a good spot right here. Son of a bitch. Come on. Hurry. Yes, I see you. Yes, I see you. I see you. I think I don't. Right in the nuts. Who else? Who else? No one? Okay. Oh, goodness. Damn it! Well, I headshotted somebody. Yeah, good job. Good show. Hey, there's my stopping spot. Fuck off. Let me check it over here, guys. Don't worry. Oh, jeez, I'm so far away. Oh, balls. You guys gotta leave me alone. Right in the butt. Right in the butt again. Seriously? Is someone still over there? Wow. Okay, quiet, guys. Shh. Oh, right in the leg. He glitched out too. It was weird. What? He's behind me. Okay. The bad guys are spawning behind me. Sorry, guys, for the lack of videos. I'm really sorry. I'm just not feeling that great. Ah, you bitch. Hey, I was rubbing my eyes. It's not fair. Spawn me back into my room. God damn it. I am so fucked. There were too many of them! You know what? This calls for SG-551. We'll kill them all! It's just gun I don't like. That's what that is. Oh, yeah, there it is. Boom, he died. He got wrecked. Yep. Exactly how I thought it would happen. We're wrecking them. Fuck! But I can wreck them. Hold on, let me use the sniper a couple more times. Just a couple. Not that many times. I'll use it like 2 more times. 2 more rounds. So what? Alright, let's go. Come on. It's my little spot. I'll go fuck myself. Alright, I need to know who's gonna be spawning behind me. Okay, there's good guys in here, so they will be spawning behind me. Oh, balls. Kill him, yes. I was gonna help, but I thought I would change, so. Oh no! Get wrecked. Oh, dick balls. Fuck. Kill him, he's over there. Yeah, thank you. I'm so glorious. I'm in your favor. They need to be protecting me. Oh, you're lucky I didn't have my finger on the trigger. Okay, who else? Alright, who else? There's not that many people in here to defend me. Oh, balls. Damn it, okay, I'm sorry. Kill them both. I will help you by shooting through a little hole in the wall. Damn it, I missed! Oh, never mind, he died. Hey, what I miss! Makes me mad. He flopped! He flopped too! Shot right in the leg. How do you feel about that? Getting shot in the leg hurts, doesn't it? Go through your ankle. God damn it, I'm so used to shooting at terrorists. I don't know why. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Oh my gosh! He went flying! Nice! Yeah, now I'm gonna use a shotgun up at this bitch. Yeah, screw you! Trying to fucking kill me. What's my lag right now? Oh jeez, only 77. Oh shit, what the fuck? Oh. I killed him. So I shot shotgun in his face. Yay! We won! I only got 15 kills. It's not good at all. 15 kills? No! Ow, that hurt my throat. Okay, got a shotgun. Stop shooting at me. Wouldn't they be right over here? Well, I'm going this way. Screw you, I'm going this way. You guys can go do whatever you guys are going to do, but I won't go in my separate way. Sorry if that made you sad. I'm going around. Oh, yeah, there is a sniper right there. Screw you! That's it, almost. There, we got him. Got him. Anybody in here? I took out 2 of them. Wow, that's cool. This is a really strong shotgun. So I would not be surprised. They've only killed one of us. Seriously? Ooh. Ooh, yeah, I saw him. I saw him, but I think he already killed him. Oh crap, they're right over here. That's where the action is going down. You gotta get over there! Whoa, okay. His head was messed up. Just don't know it's not glitching no more, but it's that guy. The massacre. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dead bodies. Right, damn. Okay. Going over there with my shotgun. There we go. That guy. Is there anybody else in here? Nope. Shotgun is so deadly. Oh, balls. Yeah, screw you. That only took not even half my health left. Almost half my health. Oh, bastard. Where are they shooting at? Oh, yeah, he did die right over there. Oh, shit! God damn. Okay, let's go this way. This way. Woo! We both took him out. Oh, dude, they just keep surrounding us or something. Gosh! Hey, you! What? No! No, it's not fair! Ah. I don't know why they like the other shotgun. That other shotgun sucks. Oh, damn. We're still kicking their ass. A long shot. You son of a bitch! God damn it! Stop being a dick! God damn, I hate when I do that. I'm getting pissed off. I'm cussing like an Irishman. Why am I talking about Irish? I should go to Ireland one day. I am gonna go to Ireland one day. I do things. You pro dodger. He's a pro dodger. I have to give it to him. He had the jukes. He dodged it. He legit dodged that like a boss. God damn it! We're getting our asses kicked now. But now it's time for Mr. AK-47. Mr. AK-47, so how do you kill people? I don't know. But my gun wants to say hello and shoot your faces off. It does. Damn you. So I should be using a sniper now. Go into my little spot, just snipe them. Just snipe them. We're really getting our asses kicked this time. This is a fair fight. I will say this is a fair fight. No, not today. Damn it! Why? Why can't it just show all the enemies on the map? That'd be so helpful. It was you little fucker! This is really pissing me off. No, fuck you. Screw you! No! No! I fucking saw that. Fucking reload! What else? God damn it, I got sniped! This is probably just gonna be a rage video. Probably not, I don't know, but I'm mad. Doesn't matter. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. The lag! Dude, the frames per second. Look at the frames per second. Come on, go up, go up. Yes, go up. Thank you. I see you, you little prick. Okay, these guys are really making me mad now. Well, at least I don't want to shoot me, man. Okay, let's go to that same spot. Frames per second, you better keep going up. Kill him. Where's that little bastard? He's right here somewhere. Freaking there you are! Screw you! Mad. You shot at me. Okay, we're doing good, guys. We're doing okay. Holy shit! Are you okay? It's like the whole part of your arm. I think you need some help. I know I do. No, I don't. I need help with the lag. No, they're gonna be all focused over there, but they're gonna be swarming in here. Watch. Freaking told you. Told you. Come on, you gonna come on? Shit! Let's snipe my Jagger again. I should call him Dick. I told you guys that they would come swarming through there once somebody is over there. I know. I've played this game for 2 years. Yeah, 2 or 3 years I've been playing this game. I've played the old version. The old version was so weird. Oh, he's already dead. I'm retarded. I'm so retarded. Hey, get back here. Hey! He went right through here. Didn't he? I know, you're looking for him. Knife him in the head. I killed him first. Guys, like this video and enjoy this video. Leave a comment down below and subscribe. Do not forget to do the question of the day, and my goal for this video is 2 likes. And as always, these guns out. And have a nice day.